What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Paris TG, and I'm back with another video. I got a problem with my underglow, so it's like it's a pressure problem. I want to say it's a pressure problem because if I touch it in one spot, it'll go off or it'll come on. It's weird. I don't know. I gotta go back to the shop and get that fixed and see what's the problem, or if I can fix it myself. But I just tried. I was out there for like, keep in mind it's 5 a.m. I was out there at like 4 a.m. trying to fix the lights, and I just come to the conclusion that I don't know. If it'll stay on by itself for a certain amount of time without me touching it, but if I go over a bump or the wind hit it, I'm pretty sure it'll go out or it'll come back on. So I got a problem with it just not being consistent. So I got to get that checked out anyway. But no, this ain't the same shirt as the other day. I already know Reef gonna come and try to get on me. But either way, I'm about to go ahead and head out, get ready for this little trip.
Hold on one second, man. Let me grab this real fast. So like this, you want something like this?
Yeah, just like that.
These are the 4-inch ones.
Will it fit? I want like, can they stick out a little bit, like farther?
Yeah, man, I can stick them as far as you want.
Not like too far, but like,
Yeah, I got you.
like right there might be perfect.
Okay, cool.
Sticking out
How
like
about
that.
this, man? Let me get these cut off, and then we'll play as far as them as far as in and out goes.
I bet.
I'll start holding them up there in different spots, and you can tell me what. But is anybody giving you a price, man, or no? If I put a set of these on, man, these things actually they cost me a little bit. To do everything is $250 plus tax.
That's fine.
They work?
Yeah, that's fine.
They're about 125 a piece installed and everything.
All right.
They work?
Yeah, that's cool.
All right, man. Well, let me get these cut off, and then we'll start playing the game with all the good stuff.
Sound good to me.
We'll get them right.
I don't know what made me want to get 4-inch quad tips. So I had 3-inch quad tips on it, but I'm going 4-inch quad tips. I'm gonna have them sticking out the back a little bit farther. I don't really know why I wanted 4-inch. It might make it a little bit louder. I don't know. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to you, but I just wanted 4-inch quad tips. I feel like the bigger tip. Who? Pause. Cause I feel like the bigger the. I ain't even gonna say, the bigger the end piece, like the better it looked. I feel like it looked better. And it fits the cutout of the exhaust a lot more. So that's cool. This place in Virginia.
Which is pretty good.
Yeah, I'm
That
proud.
was not cheap.
You said what?
That was not cheap, man. That did pretty good. Because sometimes these can be a pain in the arse to do.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
It was 35.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it ain't dark enough for me.
It is me. I can't barely see it now.
It's ceramic though. You can barely tell my shit tinted.
That's what I got. I got ceramic on there.
I ain't got it all around. I wish I did.
Yeah, that's gonna look good.
I know, bro. Like it feel like it fit the cutout more. Oh man, it's about to hurt. Put it in track if you want to. I said put it in track if you want to.
Man, I don't know how to do all that.
Just hit drive modes and hit track. Damn. That thing, wow, man. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, man. I like that. I ain't doing nothing else to the exhaust. Old tips to new tips. Hold up, pause. I don't want to trying to get you in the camera, bro.
Alrighty, brother. Man, you got any problems with it, let us know.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes,
Appreciate
sir.
that. I still gotta pay though.
Yes, sir.
I got them to stick out a little bit farther than last time. Last exhaust was like right up under the bumper, so I got them to stick it out a little bit farther. Pause. See if y'all can see that. That's tough. I like the angle cut on it too. Man, it make a little difference from 3" to 4". Make a little difference. You can always put them back on. Look at that. Powder coated black.
And I like the Stinger.
My boy about to get his mufflers taken off on the Stinger. I was like, is that it? Yeah. What is this?
So you want to take the mufflers off, man? Yeah. Did they give you a price or anything? No.
What's up with this pad right here?
Who?
This pad.
The fuck? Nah, I ain't never.
Look at it.
Oh, these? I don't know. I guess they do.
Alright, man. So you just want to take these off?
Yeah.
If if I do everything, because the way these tips are made into the bumper and everything. So what we normally do is they just slide right out. I'm gonna take cuts right here. And unfortunately on these things, man, the only thing I can really do is run one pipe back into these tips. Just because there's no way I can run a dual setup into it. But to do everything, man, it was about $20. Because all I'm doing is taking those of them off. It's not like I'm putting tips on there. I'm not doing anything crazy.
You said how much?
About $20.
What you think?
So do you, man? You want to try it?
You can hang on to them too, man, in case you don't like it. You know, put them right back on there.
Yeah.
Because these cars come set up, they got the mufflers here. You have two resonators right here. So these are going to help keep the sound down some, so it's not, screaming in your ear or anything while you're driving it. But typically taking those rear mufflers off, these are pretty good sound.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Alright, man.
Alrighty, man. Give me about 40 minutes. I'll be out here.
We can end this shit here.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can tell. Yeah, you can tell. It ain't too loud.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? And if you were to remove those middle resonators like we were showing you, that's when you start getting that rowdy six-cylinder sound.
That ain't bad right there.
Sounds pretty good.
And it's deep still. Like it don't even sound no deep shit.
Well, yeah, that sounds accurate.
Wait till you get on that motherfucker down the highway.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
It idles pretty smooth too.
Yeah.
This shit gonna sound good when you get on it, bro. I don't think you're gonna be able to tell when I edit it.